Hey, what's good, family? Pretty big week of earnings ahead of us. In this video, I wanted to hop in and take a look of what to be on the lookout for. Also, be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to support the channel, and I really appreciate it. This video is brought to you by Moomoo. At the time of this recording, Moomoo is offering an 8.1% APY on all uninvested cash and up to 60 free stocks when you sign up and make a deposit. And if for some reason you're not familiar with Moomoo, Moomoo is a worldwide brokerage, and it more than likely has something for you, whether you are beginner or more seasoned investor. Let me show you just how easy it can be to run company analysis in Moomoo. Let's say I was thinking about buying Apple stock. I would click on Apple or search Apple up. I can click on company, and just like that, I already have the financials right here. I can swipe down, see all this other data. If I want to take a look and see who are the shareholders, I can click on shareholders. I can also look at kind of their dividend payouts. I can see that the dividend yield has come down over time, but I can see that the dividend payout has increased over time. There's a lot more analysis and numbers to look at as well, but this is just scratching the surface. All right, so to start it off, I've been getting the question, where can I see all the earnings in one place? Like all the earnings, not just the top earnings, all the earnings. I can show you exactly how and where to do that in Moomoo. So in order to do that, there's actually an earnings calendar. If we click over, we want to click on Discover. We want to go to Community, and then we want to click on More in the top right. And then you can see right here, there is an earnings hub. We want to click on that. And then right here, you can see pretty much everything you need to see. There's estimates and focus. You can see we got SoFi on July 29th, Boeing on July 29th. We can see kind of a little bit of an earnings calendar up here. Scroll down, you can see the popular companies and all that they kind of have to offer. All right, so those are going to be the top. You can also see kind of the different sectors: banks, financial services, semiconductors, which is going to be important. Like if you see that Intel had earnings last week, if they say something during earnings, it's more than likely going to affect a lot of the other semiconductors. So this is just good information to have. But with that being said, looking at the earnings calendar, if you want to click on that little arrow, you can actually see kind of everything. So tomorrow is Monday at the time of this recording. Just from the overview, I can see we have the ones that I would find interesting: waste management, and there's apparently 144 more. If we click on show all, and we get in here and we see everything, like everything. All right, so we can go back. That's Monday. Tuesday, we can see we have Visa, Procter & Gamble. We know there are some other ones on Tuesday too, because we also have UNH. We have Boeing, Starbucks, RCL, SoFi, PayPal. So just want to let you know that's going to be right there in Moomoo. Now let's kind of go over the most anticipated earnings this week. This is going to be another resource right here. If you're on Instagram at all, this is going to be on the EPS Whispers Instagram page, this little graphic right here. And what's really cool about this page is every week they will put out a graphic like this where you can see the biggest earnings for the week, the most anticipated earnings for the week. And then even if we read this kind of caption right here, you can see the most anticipated earnings releases for the week of July 28th, which is this week, is going to be UNH. That's going to be a pretty big one. Apple, Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, SoFi, Robinhood, PayPal, MSTR, and Boeing. All right, so this is probably going to be one of the biggest weeks of earnings. So just wanted to come in here, put this on your radar, because I know these are, if you rock with me, these are going to be a lot of the stocks we trade. Hey, definitely get money on Apple, definitely get money on Meta, Amazon, SoFi, Robinhood, PayPal, UNH, Boeing. Yeah, all of these at some point in time has been some sort of money maker. So be on the lookout for these. All right, so coming in, just getting a quick overview of the week. Don't see too much you need to be on the lookout for tomorrow, but looking ahead to Tuesday morning, we got SoFi, we got PayPal, and we got UPS. UPS isn't listed as the most anticipated, but know that we get a lot of data from UPS earnings as well. If we see they're raising prices, if we see that they're not getting as many shipments or getting more shipments, that's going to affect all these other companies too. So that's something to keep in mind. That may be something you want to watch. Wednesday after hours is going to be another big one. We got Meta, Microsoft, Robinhood, and Qualcomm. They didn't even say anything about Qualcomm, but Qualcomm's a big one too. So be on the lookout for that. Also got ARM and Ford. Then on Thursday after close, we got Amazon, we got Apple, we got Roku, we got Reddit as well. All these stocks are big movers. So kind of with that being said, I want to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this should be taken as financial advice, but I'm going to let y'all know what I do for earnings. So earnings is a time of increased volatility. I'm gonna let y'all know for the majority of earnings, I'm not gonna have anything to do with those earnings until after the earnings are announced. A majority of the time with these earnings, we don't get the move we expect. And then the next day you can actually come in, swoop in, get the options a lot cheaper. So just kind of wanted to share that with y'all, family. If you are going to be trading in your earnings this week, be safe. Don't do it with any money that you can't afford to lose. If you do happen to take an L, try to make sure that L is also accompanied by a lesson. If you found this video to be helpful or learn anything, be sure to smash the like button. If for some reason you're new here and haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.